guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eve here. Today's video I'm very excited to do. Today I'm gonna take you on an experiment of a first time nail sticker application and the full week of a wear test. I have been doing my nails for the past 2 to 3 years due to the incident that I had in a nail salon. I had a severe damage done to a few of my nails, and that scared me away from going to any of the nail salons having my nails done. So I learned how to do my nails myself, and since then I have been testing a lot of different nail products. However, nail sticker strips are completely new to me. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by. I would love you to subscribe before you leave. If you're interested to see the full wear test and application process for nail sticker strips, continue watching.
Hey guys, so today I'm trying this nail strips for the first time. I heard some people talked about it. I actually got this at Marshall's. It's by brand Dash and Diva. So in this package there is a file, then there are nail strips, so 2 of these long ones, then one of these, and one of these. I already prepped my nails earlier, and this past week I had blue nail polish and it just literally stained all my nails, so it kind of looks messy, but my nails are clean. So we're gonna go ahead and try to apply this. First step is recommended to kind of try the sizes and choose the design. I don't think I want to go with the glitter just yet. I think I might do a rose one. I really like this one. Look how pretty this is. It's like a little, almost like rhinestones, but they're like simulation of rhinestones. And rose glitter is actually not gritty. It's very nice and smooth. And then we have all these sizes. So we're just gonna go ahead and select the correct size for my nails. So I just applied the first nail and it actually looks decent. So you're gonna have to try to attach it as close to your cuticle as possible and just press on it to all the sides so this sits. And you have to curve the edge like this. And you're supposed to kind of like file it down. So let's see how that's gonna work. So I separated this thing. I kind of really don't like that the edge is. My nails are really thin, so it kind of looks like I have a chip nail. I don't think I'm a fan of you guys. Okay guys, I actually had to improvise because filing down the nails did not work for me because my nails are so thin that I actually pulled out one of these cutters and I had to cut it down where my nail stops, and it actually looks decent. If you want to take a look, it literally looks like a nail polish. So let's go ahead and do the rest of the nails. Okay guys, so I finished the first hand. Obviously it's my left hand because I'm a righty. So I just wanted to show you up close that it's not perfect. I couldn't really find the perfect size. Some of the stickers were either too big, or the ones that kind of seemed like they were fitting, they're still a little short on the sides. But again, I do kind of consider that I have larger nails. But let me tell you, this is a good option for a very quick fix. If you are on a run, if you don't have time to go and have manicures done, this will do it. This looks quite nice, I have to say. So you just have to, make sure your skin around your nails and your cuticles look nice, but then everything else is fine. It will pass the test, I guess. So I really heard that the wearability is decent, like about 5 to 7 days, which we will see over this past weekend. And I also want to say that I do love this color. The color looks really nice, like the glitter feels nice. I love the design of this specific packet, but also wanted to mention that this is very high shine. It literally looks from the distance a gel nail polish, which is kind of cool. But obviously up close you will see more flaws. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my right hand, and I'll be right back to talk a little bit more about it. So for my right hand, I just went ahead and applied all the stickers, and I'm just going to go ahead and clip all of them with the nail clippers. Okay guys, I have finished my left hand, I finished my right hand. I love how shiny they are. I love that from the distance it really looks like a gel manicure. I love the variety of the designs. You can kind of play around and just make them look fun and festive. This is one of my favorite colors, like the burgundy tones, and like this color, like mauve, is like my favorite tones, especially for fall and winter seasons. But the application was not the easiest. I'm pretty sure that it could get easier, and you can get a little more dexterity with this once you try several times. This was my very first time trying to apply these. I really think that this is an awesome quick fix, and especially for this price. Again, I paid $4.99 at Marshall's, and I'm pretty sure they're under $10 if you buy them like an Ulta, Walmart, Target, things like that, and still very affordable and something to just have on hand. You never know when you need your nails to look a little more presentable and you need to go somewhere. So I really think that this is like a handy thing to have. Well, and the application will become easier, later on, I feel like. So one thing that I kind of read into instructions, the process of removing it, you need to apply either acetone on top of it with a cotton pad, or you can apply cuticle oil around. So it will kind of make it like separate almost. So that made me almost kind of question how long is it going to last me, because I naturally have very dry skin around my nails right here, and I apply cuticle oil at least twice a day, at least morning and at least at nighttime. And I do carry a cuticle pen with me all the time, like to work. It's in my bag at all times, and I reapply it throughout the day. So that kind of makes me think, is it gonna make them like disturbed? Because that's kind of like a part of the removal process. But I will definitely update you on that later on, see how this goes. I would want to give you a video update a little later on in a day. For you, it's going to be like few seconds because it's going to be all in one video, but I'm really curious how it's going to wear. And again, I feel like for people with thicker nails, it's probably going to be so much easier and much nicer solution. I have very, very thin nails, and it's not necessarily the most perfect solution for me, because like I mentioned earlier, I did not use a file because I would literally end up filing down the ends of my nails off. So I used a nail clipper. This is kind of like a smaller size, and just clipped it off like majority of the bulk, like outside, just to get majority of the sticker off. And then I would get a little bit closer, and sometimes I would actually have to cut it with my own nail just to make it like nice and even. But it looks decent as of right now, but I will update you in just a little bit. Hey guys, so I am here with another update for you. Today's the next day. When I talked to you yesterday, I had these done yesterday. For you, it's only going to be a few seconds. So I have some thoughts. It's actually been wearing well so far, and I do have cuticle oil on my nails as of right now. Like I mentioned earlier, I use cuticle oil very often throughout the day because my skin around my nails is quite dry. So every time I wash my hands, I do have cuticle oil in my drawer by my sink. So I reapply it quite often. So far it's holding up really well and it's not disturbing the film or anything like that. The edges staying put, and I actually ran a good amount of errands yesterday, grocery shopping right before Thanksgiving and things like that. Today I'm decorating my house, my Christmas tree, and we'll see how it's going to hold out, but I'm planning to do at least 5 days wear test for you guys, and then I will update you and I will give you my final thoughts.
As now that you watched the full application process and a little bit of a wear test, I have some thoughts to share with you. I wore the nail strips for 7 days. At the moment, as we speak, I do not have them on anymore. I do have a press-on manicure from Kiss Products, which I also love doing. The stickers lasted me fully 7 days. And within that period of time, within that full week, I've decorated the house for Christmas. I have decorated 2 Christmas trees with full of ornaments without wearing any gloves or any hand protection. I've washed dishes without my gloves purposefully, so I wanted to see how durable those nail strips were. And like I mentioned in the beginning, I do have a drier skin around my nails, and I use cuticle oil the whole entire day. Like I reapplied several times a day, and that did not disturb the strips one single bit. Everything stayed intact for the whole entire time. I also like the fact that there are so many different variety that you could choose from. I wanted to show you the selection. This one is in the shade A Marble Moment. This set is called Inside Edition. And this set seems very popular, and it's called Rose Sparkle. They're very nicely packaged, and now that we are right before the holidays and you might need a last minute stocking stuffer or a gift for somebody, then these would be a great option for any woman. I am definitely, since now on, gonna have these handy. That's why I actually picked up extras, because they're so easy to apply. You watched me applying the first time, and it was a little bit tricky to figure out what works for you initially. If you really get a hang of it, then it's so easy to apply, and then the wearability is so good. I also wanted to mention that it really looks like a gel manicure, which is also a plus. Sometimes when you wear a press-on nails like the ones that I have right now, you can see a little bit of a bulk, so they do not always look natural, while nail sticker strips look very, very natural. Now I also wanted to mention the removal process. Initially, I thought and I heard and I read that it needed to be removed with an acetone. I use simple eyebrow tweezers to pick up the end that's closer to the cuticle, to gently pick up the end of the sticker and very slowly and gently peel it off. The main thing is not to rush when you're doing it, because you can remove a layer of your nail, which is not going to be healthy for your nails. The brand recommends to do the following removal process. Apply drop of polish remover or cuticle oil around cuticle area. Gently lift away the strip. It's pretty straightforward. I did not use a nail polish remover. Maybe it would be easier. However, when I picked it up with the tweezers, it actually removed with no issues. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope this was helpful to you. I would love you to subscribe before you leave if you haven't done that already. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye.